Your future depends on this decision. What if everything you know about focus is wrong? It is time to rethink how you study. Your brain never multitasks. It just switches between tasks really fast. And this constant context switching totally exhausts your brain. Every notification steals your future. Remove this, and your focus doubles. To find focus, I had to take drastic measures. Goodbye, distractions! And just like that, my space became my sanctuary. Deep work begins after this moment. Don't quit in the first 10 minutes. Push through to the top. Focus is your real superpower. Every minute made him stronger. He became unstoppable.
Motivation is a lie. Action comes first.
One habit separates winners, focus, from everyone else. Keep going! Distractions are invisible thieves. Flow state has a secret door. Push past the resistance and step in. This tiny mistake destroys productivity. Every time you check your phone, your progress goes right back to zero. Sustained focus is the only way. Focus isn't talent. It's training. Imagine working without interruptions. The hardest minute is the first one. Master your focus. Master your life.